Hey, check this out. We got an air show here at the local airport. A little co-pilot.
Is that it, Daddy?
Yeah, see him go.
I set out on a road that I built with my own
You didn't sweaty.
I met friends on the way,
But we're at the air show.
to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between.
I said that thing was me if I ever had to take over. Like it was me trying to fly an airplane.
And I'll turn every wrong to
This is the best idea in the world. Gary's like, hey, why don't we make a video of the air show? You know, it's easy, we're here. Anyways, now I've got this one camera, so I'm too busy, so I can't hold the kids or take care of them like she can.
like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. But you can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20 and 23. But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreaking cost. 'Cause you were with me through my nights. You filled the darkness with your shining lights. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Lady is far in our lungs, it's too hard.
All right, get up there for 30 seconds.
Lover, I live for the day when I turn to
The jet truck's about to go. We've got a couple people that are not very thrilled about that. It's way out there, baby. You're okay.
Mama, baby, when the grows up and don't go here, let's just stay at the house and babysit me.
Yes. Here, stand by your sister.
No, I'll
Okay.
go to Daddy.
Listen, if y'all were ever in any danger, we would have you so far away from it. Look at it. They're racing.
I'm still walking this road on my knees, they are ever so weak.
So they go running away.
I never
Scared.
thanked you for putting your faith on a bum
truck
like
got
me, yeah. And wherever you are, I think it's here you were meant to be. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free.
All right, that's it. We're beat. The first annual, or the inaugural. The inaugural Wings Over Bryant Airshow is complete. Very hot, 96 degrees according to the Weather Channel. Anyways, we're cooling off in the hangar. We're headed home. We're gonna get out of here. See y'all later. Carrie, here, I'll come to this side. How's it feel to meet your idol, the jet truck?
It's really awesome. I'm starstruck. Almost as starstruck as when I see you.
Oh,
We're gonna go to the other one.
Yeah, Daddy, they want to ride the little bobber, so even if we have to pay.